If you've lost access to your Autodesk account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Autodesk account sign-in page. Go to the official Autodesk account sign-in page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Autodesk account. Make sure it is the correct one, as this is where recovery instructions will be sent. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Autodesk. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the password reset link. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Once you have set a new password, return to the sign-in page and log in using your email and the new password you just created. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Autodesk account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Autodesk support for further assistance.